In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best first choice discount promo codes in 2024. This is really simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for first choice discount promo code. Right here, select this very first website, which is called Share. And as you can see, we have a listed promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with £50 discount, all you have to do right here is select get voucher. And as you can see, you have to sign up in order to get this voucher. So basically, if you sign up to your account right here, you can copy the voucher from right here, and you can apply that on your next purchase in order to get some discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this vouchercodes.co.uk website. And as you can see right here, we also have some deals that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one with £300 off, all you have to do is select get deal right here. For this one, there is no code required. You can simply select continue to first choice right here, and you'll be redirected to the website, and the discount code will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.